For today's video, I'm going to share with you my second YouTube salary for this year. Hello guys, how's everyone? I hope everything is fine with you. For today's video, I'm going to share with you my second YouTube salary for this year. I got my first salary last year, and last November 25, I received an email from my Google AdSense account that payment has been sent already to my bank via wire transfer. I did not expect that I will still get my second salary because it's been a while that I have been uploaded a new video in my YouTube account. So basically I'm going to just share with you also the new updates for this year, for the new payment update we encountered in order to receive the YouTube salary account. And for those who haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please don't forget to hit the subscribe, hit the bell notification also, so that you will be more updated for my upcoming vlogs. Guys, makikita nyo sa email na to na nagsasabing na ipadala na yung payment nila sa bank account ko last November 25, 2022. Punta naman tayo guys sa aking Google AdSense account kung saan may naidagdag na AdSense for YouTube category sa field na to. Last year wala pa yung AdSense for YouTube. Ngayon, this year lang actually na isama to sa Google AdSense account kung saan makikita nyo yung YouTube earnings. And actually, nag-update naman yung earnings every 21st of the month. Ito naman guys ang isa pa sa nadagdag, itong AdSense Philippines tsaka YouTube Philippines. So i-click mo lang yung YouTube Philippines para makita mo yung payment transactions every month. Makikita nyo rin guys sa screen na to na meron na talagang tax every payment na binibigay nila. Kung i-compare ko guys yung sahod ko last year, mas mataas ng konti last year kasi mas madami akong na-upload na videos compared this year. Kaya mas mababa ang nakuha kong sahod this year. Pag i-click mo naman yung YouTube Philippines, hindi mo na makikita ang payment transaction mo every month. Kaya ang lagi mong pipiliin ay YouTube Philippines para makita mo lahat ng payment transactions mo every month. That's it guys. If you have some questions, just comment down below. Thank you so much for watching.